Hello, I'm Rachel Dunn, a senior lecturer at Northumbria University.
And I'm Jessica Horton. I'm a PhD candidate at Northumbria University, and I will soon be joining the DEFRA's Companion and Welfare Policy team.
Over the last year, we've conducted empirical research into Section 10 improvement notices. Section 10 improvement notices are found in the Animal Welfare Act 2006 and are often cited as a great addition to animal welfare legislation and a useful enforcement tool. An improvement notice can be served on a person responsible for animals where a local authority inspector is of the opinion that they are failing to comply with Section 9 of the Animal Welfare Act, therefore committing a welfare offence. An improvement notice is a tool to work with the person to improve the welfare of the animal that they are responsible for, with the aim of avoiding a prosecution due to the person understanding how to care properly for their animals. The notice must contain certain information, including how the owner is failing to meet the Section 9 welfare requirements, the steps that they need to take in order to comply with the requirements, and the timeframe for doing so. During this time, no prosecutions can be brought, nor can a prosecution be brought if the steps are complied with.
We realise that improvement notices, whilst hailed as a useful tool, have not been researched and that there's very little information about how often they are used and whether they're effective. We decided, in order to find out more, to FOI all local authorities in England, asking whether they had used an improvement notice, what animals they used it for, and how successful it was. We received 267 responses and found that in the time period of 2015 to 2020, 437 improvement notices were issued across 63 local authorities, with 204 local authorities responding, saying that they had never issued an Section 10 improvement notice, or they had outsourced this work to other organisations such as the RSPCA. We also asked for details on how many resulted in positive outcomes, whether they had led to any prosecutions, and the guidance and templates given to local authority inspectors. Our paper presents these findings in more detail.
Overall, we found that improvement notices are not utilised by all local authorities and that there are many differences as to how improvement notices are used and issued. We make recommendations as to how they can be better utilised and outline our further research in this area.
We hope that you enjoy this paper and we look forward to seeing you at the conference in September.